Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete sensitive data on your computer. Now, many people think simply deleting the data from the drive or recycle bin make it disappear forever, but that's far from truth. Almost all data you delete can be recovered. For example, if you have an old PC or hard drive that you want to replace, your computer's drive is packed with sensitive information like bank account information, tax returns, personal videos and photos. Now, if you just delete this data by right-clicking on it and choosing delete, then emptying your recycle bin, you might think it's gone forever. However, this data can still be recovered by others using free tools such as Recover. To permanently delete important data so it cannot be recovered, you'll need to use special tools. In this tutorial, we'll use a free tool from GitHub called PermanDelete. The link will be in the descriptions. Let's go to the GitHub page and click on PermanDelete. Once downloaded, double-click on the downloaded file, accept the agreement, and click Next. Create a desktop shortcut and add PermanDelete to the Send To folder. Click Next, then install, and finally finish. This will bring up the PermanDelete dashboard with options like Shred File, Shred Folder, Settings, and About PermanDelete. Now to delete a file permanently, click on the Shred file in the application, locate the file we want to delete. I'm going to select this one. Click Open. Choose the number of passes for shredding. Now in this context, passes refer to the number of times a file is overwritten with random data. This makes it much harder, if not impossible, to recover the original data. 1 pass is recommended, but you can choose 3, 5, 7, or 10 for added security. Now the more passes you select, the longer it will take to delete the data. The data will be automatically deleted from your drive and recycle bin. Even if someone uses a third-party tool to recover the data, they won't be able to retrieve it. Now, just to mention, there are a lot of tools out there that does permanent deleting. I like PermanDelete because it's open source. That means the source code is publicly available, allowing anyone to inspect it, review it, and verify its security and integrity. And that's all for today. I hope you found this information useful. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.